Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the theme color on GitHub. So if you have your GitHub account and you want to change it to, for example, dark mode, let me show you how to do that. Now, once you're signed in, click your account on the upper right hand side and click on settings. That's going to take you right over to all of your settings here. Click on appearance here on the left hand side. And from here, you will see the colors that you currently have here, right? So on the current light theme, for example, you can change colors like this, and you will be able to see once you change them how it actually looks, right? So based on the color that you choose, you will see how it actually looks, right? You may not realize that much of a difference, but you have different colors that you will choose from and so forth, right? So that's, for example, a gray one here, then black, and of course, and so forth, right? Now, what if you want to put that in dark mode? As you can see, dark mode right here, you can't really click this. And if you click it, it doesn't do anything, right? So the first thing you want to do to ensure that you put this in dark mode is to switch to theme mode on the top right here. It's currently set by default to sync with system. So simply click the drop down and click on single theme. Once you do that and set that to single theme, you can choose whichever you want. So for example, I need dark default. I can do that, or soft dark and dark colorblind. For example, this one here, whatever. So you have different types. So if you're looking to change your theme color or basically switch to dark mode, this is how you actually do it. Very easy and very simple, guys.